Coffee steam on the tailgate, boots in the dirt still damp from dawn. You laugh at the way my hat leans, say it's crooked like the path we're on. Open horizon, wind in our plans, dust on the dashboard, map in your hands. Long road or maybe short list of wrongs. Open horizon, we'll ride it as we roll along.
Fence line running beside us, hay bales stacked like tiny towns.
You trace counties on the window, clouds drift by like they're slowing down. Open horizon, wind in our plans, dust on the dashboard, map in your hands. Long road or maybe short list of wrongs. Open horizon, we'll ride it as we roll along. If the truck gives out, we'll walk it. If the rain comes in, we'll dance. Every busted sign, every dead-end drive, just another chance. Another chance. Open horizon, open horizon. Gravel dust dancing behind your old Ford. You waved through the window, said I'll be back before dark. Coffee in a thermos, map on the dash. You chasing a paycheck, me holding the phone.
There's miles between your headlights and this porch light, but I feel you every time that screen door swings. Every fence post, every sunrise carries your name on the breeze.
Yeah, love don't know the miles between.
I talk to the effers like you always did.
Laugh at myself when they still tilt their heads.
Your jacket's still hanging on that same old nail.
Smells like sweat and cedar and one last Sunday kiss.
There's miles between your headlights and this porch light, but I feel you every time that screen door swings. Every fence post, every sunrise carries your name on the breeze.
There's miles between your headlights and this porch light, but I feel you every time that screen door swings.
Every fence post, every sunrise
carries your name on the breeze.
Yeah,
Love don't know the miles between. Sun on the mailbox, dust on my boots, coffee in a chip cup, old dog by the stoop.
gravel under good tires, rolling nice and slow. Wave at every neighbor like a Sunday radio.
Small town roads know my name. Every curve, every fence and grain, got my story in the lines they hold. I learned love, I learned hope out on these small town roads.
Hand me down Chevy, paint a little thin, still starts every morning like it's proud to run again.
Storefront windows with the help wanted sign. They watched me turn 18, then watch this heart decide. Maybe I wander, maybe I roam, but there's a map in my marrow pointing me home when the world feels heavy and the big sky folds. I hear my name calling from those small town roads. Maybe I wander, maybe I roam, but there's a map in my marrow pointing me home when the world feels heavy and the big sky folds. I hear my name calling from those small town roads. The sun's coming up on the red barn roof, coffee in my hand, worn work boots.
Dust on the tailgate, dog at my heel, morning spread out like a Sunday meal.
Rolling fields, green and white, wind in the wheat, like a long slow tide.
Heart beating easy on this old hillside. Rolling fields,
That's where my worries slide. Old truck road, fence line lean, you wave
see. It's more than enough for me. Rolling fields, green and white, wind in the wheat, like a long, slow tide. Rolling fields, rolling fields, rolling fields. That's where my worries slide.
Gravel spitting out behind these tires, thermos coffee sitting by my knee, mailbox names and no barbed wire, wave like they're all looking out for me. This old road to you runs through fields and Sunday fumes, past white church steeples, red roof shingles. Every mile my heart beats single. This old road to you, dust and daylight, sky so blue. Every turn and every view leads me down. There's a road to you.
Sunshine dancing on the dashboard glass, scarecrow leaning on a crooked stake,
Radio low singing about the past, but I'm thinking about your smile I can't shake. This old, this old road, sun up on the tailgate, coffee in a tin cup, steam in the air, old dog in the rear view.
dust on the bumper, wind in my hair, mailbox leans on the corner, same one I passed when I first learned to drive.
Your old house on the hillside still makes me slow down every time. On this last back road, where the gravel knows my name, every rut, every turn feels like it stayed the same. When the big world calls and I feel that pull to go, I find my way back home on this last back road.
Fence posts painted with cowbirds, tractor parked crooked by the red barn door, creek runs clear by the cottonwoods, kids skipping rocks like I did before.
Neighbors wave from a hayfield, don't need a word to know what they mean. Good to see you still around here, spoken in the hum of a small town scene.
this last back road, where the gravel knows my name. Every rut, every turn feels like it stayed the same. When the big world calls and I feel that pull to go, I find my way back home on this last back road. Sun on the hood, dust on the tires, coffee in a jar by my knee.
Screen door slam, dog in the backseat, mailbox names rolling past me slow.
Old wood fence, fresh cut hayfield, neighbor waves from his rusty road.
Windows down, let that sweet air roll.
Easy miles, rolling under these boots and wheels. Easy miles, every driveway's a story I feel. Nothing fancy, just this light on a two-lane kind of light. Yeah, it's easy, easy miles. Farm town sign, leaning by the creek bed. Same white church, same steeple bell song. One small diner, they still ask where I've been so long. Refill my cup, say, son, you still belong. Easy mile, rolling under these boots and wheels. Easy miles, every driveway's a story I feel. Nothing fancy, just this light on a two-lane kind of line. Yeah, it's easy. I used to chase a different skyline, thought I'd find more on some crowded road.
But the way back home is a straight line,
Through corn and clover,
dust and gold. Every breath out here feels like letting go.
easy miles, easy miles,
Easy miles.
golden miles rolling out in front of me. Coffee steam on a wobbly porch rail, boots in the dust, morning mail on the tailgate, sun on the hood of this old faithful ride. Windows down, let the day decide. Golden miles, out where the blacktop bends the sky. Every fence post, just a line in this
chasing the wind. Laugh lines deep when you smile again. Golden miles out where the blacktop bends the sky. Every fence post just a line in this simple life. I've got time, I've got you, and this easy drive. Nothing fancy, nothing wild. If the rain comes, we'll let it drum on the cab roof. If the light fades, we'll let the crickets sing the truth. Every turn, every curve feels like it's all by design. Hand in hand, let the yellow lines guide. Golden
Sun on the dash, windows down. Dust in the air, that old road sign. Fading green, but I'm almost there. Coffee in a mason jar, maple leaf stuck to my boots. Gravel popping under these tires like they recognize the truth. Mailbox leaning by the ditch, name still painted there in white. Every mile I'm losing years, rolling back into the light. Through the pines I see home again, porch swing creaking, my old best friend. Dog come running like I never left town. Mama in the doorway, apron on, arms out. All the hurt I've carried just unwinds when that sun shines through the pines. Handmade cross on the hillside, Granddad's hat on the kitchen nail. Sunday shoes by the back door, church bells floating on the dale. Laugh lines deep on Daddy's face, stronger arms, a little slower walk. We don't say much at first, just let the silence talk. I chase big plans, bright signs, loud nights. Thought I'd find myself there somehow, but it took this road, this red dirt, this light to show me I'm found right here, right now.
Screen door creaks, coffee on the stove, dust on my boots, but my heart feels bold.
Old dog barking at the mailman truck. Same old gravel, same old luck.
Mailbox leans like it might give in, but it's held my name since I was 10. Mama's roses climbing that fence, rusty swing where the summers went. Sun on the hood of my beat-up Ford, yeah, I know every crack in this porch. home again, where my story started, where the fields roll out like an old best friend. Home again, every breath is honest, I can feel my shoulders start to bend. All that weight I carry falls right off in the wind. Home again.
Dad's old hammer on the workbench shelf, coffee cans full of nails he kept,
Kitchen wall marked in pencil lines, every inch we grew over time. Sunday talk in the shade of that oak, Grandpa's laughing the words he spoke. I've chased miles that never made much sense, till I turned this truck back over that fence. Home again, where my story started, where the fields roll out like an old best friend. Home again, every breath is honest, I can feel my shoulders start to bend. All that weight I carry falls right off in the wind. Home again. Maybe I'll leave, maybe I'll roam, but this red clay road always leads me home. I can lose my way, I can break again, still I hear that screen door calling me in. Home again,
where my story started,
where the fields roll out like an old best friend. Sun on the hood of my old Ford truck, steam from the coffee in a chip blue cup, boots by the door, dog on the step, morning on the porch swing, life at its best.
this dirt road, this front yard, hand-me-down Bible in a mason jar.
It's where my heart learned how to live,
Where they give more than they ever get.
it's a grace and a goodbye kiss. Yes, is where home is. Mama hums low while the skillet pops, Dad's at the table with the county crop talk, mail in a stack, bills and fair flyers, neighbors wave past in their dusty old tires. Out in the fields when the daylight fades,
I hear my name roll across the hay.
I could roam every map they print,
But I'd still drive back to this little fence.
yes, when I'm home of them.
I'd still drive back
Till Stone Fence. Coffee steam on the screen door light, bare feet on a cool wood floor, old dog snoring in the corner, boots by the mat from the day before. Simple days.
They fit me like this old blue shirt, little fray on the sleeve, little red dirt.
Nothing fancy, just your hand in mine. Sun on the porch, taking our sweet time.
Simple days.
That's all I ever hope to find. Mailbox leans by the gravel lane,
Wind chimes humming soft and low.
you laugh, say the yard ain't perfect.
I say, baby, that's how gardens grow. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Someday we'll be greater, slower, rocking in these same two chairs, telling stories to the quiet air about how rich we were, the simple days we shared. Simple days.
They fit me like this old blue shirt, little fray on the sleeve, little red dirt.
Nothing fancy,
Just your hand in mine.
Acorns on the dashboard, gravel on my tires, coffee in a mason jar, steam in the morning light.
Fence posts leaning like tired old friends, hayfield waving at the road that bends.
Mail in a box with our last name, red dirt stories on my boots again. These country lines run straight through me, from county signs to this old oak tree. Every mile spells out my life, dust and sky and simple times written in these country lines.
Screen door creaking, dog on the step, sunburned freckles on your neck.
You laugh easy, head thrown back. Kids draw tractors in the driveway cracks. Maybe I could chase some big town dream, but I'd miss crickets by the creek. So I'll stay right here where my heart reads every field like a family name. These country lines. These country lines. Gravel pops under these old boots. Mail truck leans by the general store. Pete's dog sleeping in the June sun. Screen door squeaks like it always did before. Out at the end of town where the blacktop turns to brown, I know every fence post lean and every Sunday dinner sound. Out at the end of town, that's where my heart sits down. If I ever lose my way, it's where I'll be found. Out at the end of cap on the back porch railing, like he just stepped out, but he's still right there. Out at the end of town where the blacktop turns to brown, I know every fence post lean and every Sunday dinner sound. Out at the end of town, that's where my heart sits down. Them bigger skies and some far-off shiny place. Me, I got all the stars I need. And these same old faces, same old grace. Out at the end of town where the blacktop turns to brown, I know every fence post lean and every Sunday dinner sound.
Out at the end of town,
that's where my heart sits down. If I ever lose my way, it's where I'll be found. Out at the end of town. The sun on the dash, dust on the glass, coffee in a jar by my knee.
your bare feet on that cracked leather seat, laughing at the wind and the weeds.
Dirt road love, kicking up gravel, hand in my hand as the cornfields pass. Simple as the sky and the old barn cattle. Right where we are, I don't need fast. Every little bump, every turn we take, rattles through my heart like a song we made. Dirt road love, yeah, this dusty lane is all I ever prayed for by name. Mailbox lanes, paint peeling off clean. Dog on the porch starts to bark.
Racing that line of logs.
Dirt road love, kicking up gravel,
fields pass, simple as the sky and the old barn cattle. Right where we are, I don't need fast. We ain't chasing any highway sign, got all we need in the slow down time. You and me, this truck, this view, every mile of earth just leading to you. Dirt road